Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. The PC gaming industry has witnessed a boom in the past few months. Since desktop GPUs are overpriced, many people invest in gaming laptops instead. This is why Asus felt the need to launch several new gaming laptops under their ROG lineup. One of the interesting laptops in the range has to be the new Asus ROG Strix G15. The Strix G15 offers a great gaming experience with a high refresh rate panel and desktop-like performance. The Strix laptops have consistently delivered impressive gaming machines. These laptops stand out for both their design and performance. The Strix series offers impressive flagship hardware at a more affordable price. The Strix series sits right under the top-tier 𝗕𝗏𝗄𝗏 lineup. The latest G15 swaps out Intel processing hardware for the latest AMD 5000 series mobile CPUs. But can the combination of AMD's latest Ryzen processors and NVIDIA's powerhouse RTX 30 series graphics give the ROG series yet another win? Also, what makes the Strix G15 stand out from all other new gaming laptops? Well, stick around, and let's find out. Asus ROG Strix G15. The ROG Strix G15 is a gaming beast, with great options like fast screens or stunning visuals. On the outside, the Strix G15 retains the usual Asus ROG aesthetic. It boasts an aluminum chassis, a textured finish with ROG logo etching, and a backlit keyboard with RGB underlighting. It's compact, stylish, and a powerhouse of a gaming machine. When you open the lid and turn the device on, you'll be amazed to see the beautiful RGB lighting. It's one of the best gaming laptops around, for the price you're paying. Design. The laptop's lid is made out of aluminum, and the rest of the chassis is plastic. However, the ROG Strix G15 still manages to feel pretty solid. The chassis has the bold and flashy look that characterizes the Strix line. The palm rests have a smooth and comfortable texture. The hinges of Strix G15 are unique, they are very stable and sturdy. The hinges hold the screen firmly, in every position, and allow a comfortable one-handed opening. It's also relatively lightweight at 5 pounds, with almost a razor-thin screen held in place by two sturdy hinges. There's an asymmetric gap between the chassis and the screen, allowing better heat dissipation. The top lid flex is minimal, and the keyboard flex is negligible. The ROG logo on the lid glows, and there is also an RGB strip that goes around the laptop's base. A LED RGB light bar under the chassis creates a cool personalized underglow. Besides that, the keyboard is also lit by RGB lighting. Not only does Asus use subtle color contrasts in the design, but also angular contours. As soon as you boot the laptop, these lights welcome you, and awakes the gamer inside you. Keep the RGB aside, and the chassis feels well made, and quite sturdy. However, it still makes an elegant impression, with deactivated RGB lighting. Display. The ROG Strix G15 is featured a 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS panel display. The display comes with a 300 Hz refresh rate, and an impressive 3 milliseconds response time. It's quite an immersive panel, with razor-thin bezels, and speedy response times. While having a 1080p panel does not show the difference, it sure is a great thing to have. The panel makes it one of the best gaming laptops of the year. On top of that, the 300Hz refresh rate helps elevate the excellent gaming experience on the laptop. You get the best of both worlds, as it makes a nice balance between resolution and refresh rate. There are minimal bezels around the display, providing an immersive content consumption experience. If you opt for the 300Hz panel, you can push competitive games to their limit. With a brightness of around 300 nits, the Strix G15 is designed perfectly for indoor use. The brightness is adequate for playing games and watching movies. The laptop covers 100% of the sRGB color space, and 70% of the Adobe RGB color space. It's pretty accurate in color reproduction, making it a good option for photo and video editing. The content creators will benefit from Pantone certification on the panel, and a 100% DCI-P3 coverage. The higher resolution ensures vibrant colors with rich details. The display isn't too reflective, like some of the mainstream laptops. The IPS panel is quite sharp, and the viewing angles are excellent. You won't find any issues, even when viewing the display from sharp angles. The thin bezels around the display also mean no integrated webcam. You get an excellent choice of 3 different types of display options. You can opt for either 144Hz or 165Hz, or 300Hz FHD display. Performance. The ROG Strix G15 is a powerhouse when it comes to performance. It is powered by Ryzen 9 5900HX CPU, which provides responsive and powerful performance. The 16GB RAM in dual-channel mode allows you to spend more time working and less time waiting. Its 1TB M.2 SSD drive can easily store an ample amount of data. The RTX 3070 GPU, with 8GB VRAM, ensures that your gaming experience is uninterrupted and exciting. The RTX 3070 GPU delivers the ultimate performance for gamers and creators. The Strix G15 performs well with some gaming desktop computers with such specifications. You will get smooth software experience while doing intense 4K editing, 3D modeling, and rendering work. There's enough power and lightning-fast speed available to handle AAA titles with little effort. You'll feel great when you play your favorite games in high settings. The Strix G15 also masters everyday tasks without any problem with these components. The intelligent cooling system offers plenty of vents, heat pipes, and exhaust space for the fans. Additionally, Asus uses liquid metal instead of traditional thermal paste. This liquid metal will keep the temperature of laptop and keyboard deck cool under pressure. You won't face any thermal throttling while gaming, and also, the clock speed won't fluctuate much. Indeed, on most counts, this $1,900 machine outperforms the most expensive exotic gaming laptops. Keyboard. Asus ROG lineup of gaming laptops has consistently delivered reliable keyboards. The Strix G15 comes with a backlit chiclet keyboard, with per key RGB customizable using Asus Aura Sync. The keyboard offers individually lit RGB keys, which does help the laptop feels more premium. You'll feel quite comfortable, even while typing articles on this keyboard. The ROG Strix G15 has an excellent keyboard, with decent key travel. The keyboard layout is well spaced out, with early actuation, helping while gaming and typing. There are 5 gaming hotkeys with mic, volume, mute, fans, and armory crate controls. These gaming hotkeys are specially made available for dedicated gamers. Asus uses a keyboard without a numeric keypad, but with extensive RGB lighting in return. Trackpad. The glass touchpad is 85% larger than the previous models of Strix touchpad. The touchpad is nice, big, and feels exceptionally smooth under the finger. The touchpad was quite convenient to use, with its smooth surface, ensuring no issues with palm rejection. The Strix G15 also has an impressive LED numpad on the touchpad. The touchpad supports standard gestures like zooming, scrolling, and triggering right clicks with 2 fingers. Asus takes advantage of the Windows Precision drivers, making gesture controls on Windows 10 seamless. Connectivity. The Strix G15 gaming machine comes with a limited array of ports. It features 2 USB Gen 1 Type A ports, and a headphone jack on the left. There are no ports on the right side of this device. You get an HDMI port, a USB Gen 2 Type-C port, a USB Gen 1 Type A port, an Ethernet jack, and the power port on the back. The Type-C port can be used as a display port or charging port. The ports are well distributed on the left side and the back, with sufficient spacing between them. You will like the idea of placing the ports at the back, as it will help you keep a clean gaming setup on your desk. The Strix G15 supports data connections via Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. The Strix G15 lacks Thunderbolt 3 port and an SD card reader. Battery. The Strix G15 packs a 90 watt-hour battery that charges over a 240 watts adapter. The Strix G15 delivers better battery life than other gaming laptops worth hundreds of dollars more. It manages to deliver around 4 hours of battery life for a mix of gaming, work and entertainment. The battery backup is excellent, considering it's a gaming device with full of RGB lights. The 240 watts power brick supports fast charging. It charges 50% in just under 30 minutes. Unlike other models, the Strix G15 can also play games with semi-decent performance when not plugged in. We played Rainbow Six Siege between 30 to 60 FPS while unplugged, and other games also run very nicely. Speakers. On the audio front, the ROG Strix G15 offers excellent sound output. It has 2 down-facing speakers, on the left and right sides of the bottom, making the audio experience unique. The Strix G15 speakers are not very loud, but its audio quality is clear. It has bass, supporting 𝗕𝗂𝗶𝗆 audio, which enhances the audio quality. The Dolby Access software allows you to swap between games, movies, music, and voice profiles. These speakers were good enough for watching movies and your favorite TV shows. You shouldn't have any problem hearing your game's audio over the fan's noise. The speakers and microphone support the 2-way AI noise cancellation. Webcam. Due to thin bezels around the display, Asus has eliminated webcam from their gaming laptops. While the Strix G15 does not come with a webcam, Asus has bundled a USB webcam in the box. It's an Asus ROG Eye webcam that supports up to 1080p 60 FPS. The USB webcam quality is brilliant, and its inbuilt mic is also great. This webcam is suitable for your online calling and Zoom meetings. This webcam delivers excellent image and video quality. Operating system. The ROG Strix G15 comes with pre-installed Windows 10 Home. Additionally, you get 𝗕𝗁𝗄𝗆 free for a lifetime, and McAfee antivirus for 1 year. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. The Asus ROG Strix G15 is a mid-range gaming laptop. It's one of the latest gaming laptops, equipped with an RTX 3000 GPU, and a Ryzen 5000 CPU. This combination promises high performance, that can be used optimally in games, with a 300Hz display. The Strix G15 is an excellent gaming machine for the price. The G15 is one of the best premium, and fastest gaming device available in the market. The keyboard is comfortable, and the over-the-top gamer aesthetic is eye-catching. Then there's the battery life, which will start giving regular notebooks a run for their money. Moreover, Asus' unique cooling system and display are perfect for playing esports titles. Adding to the desktop-like performance, it does bring portability to the table. If you're looking for this kind of bold design, in an all-AMD system, at a sub $1,900 price point. Also, if you are willing to give up a webcam, and some modern ports, the Strix G15 is probably the best you can do. The new Strix G15 is more affordable than most of the current gaming laptops. The Strix G15 is a versatile device, not just for gaming but also for office and creative workloads. The Strix G15 is worth checking out, if you are looking for a new laptop. The Asus ROG Strix G15's base price starts at $1,900, approximately 140,000 rupees. Specification table. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also hit that bell icon, so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the detailed and latest laptop reviews. Plus the things to consider, to help you choose the best laptop for you. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can check the description, and click on the Amazon link. If you use that Amazon link to make a purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive, and helpful content coming your way. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let me know your thoughts on this video in the comments below. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.